welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi celebrity stories, and namhlanje ke sikhuluma ke nge-character ke ebuyayo laphana ke kwi-generation The Legacy. I-character eyayidlalwa ke uThuli Phongola. Guys, uThuli Phongola ke samgcina, I think it was 2018, so uyabuya kulowa mdlalo. Niyakhumbula guys ukuthi wahamba nje umuntu owehlala, I think wehlala la Lucy, but this time it seems as if bazomconnecta kakhulu no Jack. I'm not so sure ukuthi bazomfaka to his world lempilo lephilo uJack or kuzokwenzekala, but nje izinto zikhomba ukuthi ke i-relationship kanamhla izoba kakhulu ilinke laphana ke kubaba wakhe ke uJack Mabaso. When Namhla returned, he's no longer the geeky, shy and awkward teenager derived from before. Her time living and working overseas has changed her. She has become widely confident in her skills and talent, and yearns for a big life, a life she thinks Jack can give her. But would Jack dangerous life be too much for uNamhla? Asazi guys ukuthi relationship yakhe noma wakhe izohamba kanjani, but nje kwase ngathi ukuthi relationship ayimisele kanje ngoba ebuye nje i-relationship yakhe no baba wakhe ke uJack Mabaso. I can say we're looking forward to, you know, ukumbona uNamhla because kudala hamba. But anyway guys, we can expect the changes kuwona ke lo mdlalo njengoba ke no 6 Nyamane ehambile, so maningi ama changes siwabona. Nakhona futhi they are going to a new season ekuyiyona ke le azoqala kuyona ke uNamhla ke isizini entsha ye-generation The Legacy izoqala ke ngoMay. That brings us to the end of this video guys. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion ukuthi wena, are you excited? Bumkhumbula bufisa ukwazi kwenzekala ngempilo yakhe, because kudala bemhinta kancane laphana ke estoryini lokukhulunywa ngoNamhla uyabona ukuthi okay, no, they are preparing for ukuthi ke abuye ke kulomdlalo. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion.